All right, so I recently got a bunch of random pickups from Nike and Adidas and I don't know, just a bunch of random places. So I figured I'd just go ahead and give you guys a haul video, show you guys all the pickups with one major one that's going to be kind of the primary for the video. So let's go ahead and jump in. What is going on, guys? Hess here, collectivekicks.com. If you guys haven't followed my website yet, go ahead and check it out in the description. You can shop this week's top sneaker deals that I curate for you guys on my website. So there's a whole bunch of randomness, but the one that I haven't even opened yet is this double box right here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that, and then show you guys the rest of the stuff over here and over here. All right, so I actually hit on sneakers for this huge box right here. I haven't opened it. I'm excited to show you guys what it is. The retail price was $425 for this big package right here, and no sales tax in Oregon, so that's a plus. And free shipping, thanks Nike. But yeah, super expensive, but most of you guys are like myself and suffer a lot of L's on sneakers, but I've actually had quite a bit of luck recently, which has been crazy. Like, it's been fun ever since I got those Union 4s. It seems like I've had some good luck. But, let's see here, holy moly. This is a big double box, and actually I don't think we've seen a double sneaker release in quite a while. So pretty fun to see. So on the box it says the Unexpected RWSP pack. And has a Converse logo and a Jumpman right there. As you open it up, ooh, you got a little Westbrook logo right there, not bad. It comes with some like wax paper. Ooh, these are crazy. Dang, these are wild. So, I mean, this is fitting for a Russ Westbrook type of sneaker. These things are crazy for Converse. Those are crazy. And then on the other one, let's take a look. Sheesh, another ridiculously crazy looking pair. It says why not on the back. These are wild. So there is the sheath thing or whatever you want to call it that comes off, and then here is the Air Jordan 16. So for those that didn't know, Air Jordan 16 model, and really nice quality materials. It's like a satin underneath, which was unexpected. So satin and then some mesh. So here is a look at the pack, dude. The why not pack. This is wild. I want to read more about it from what it says from Sneakers, but you definitely get a really like biker-esque sort of vibe from these things. There's like metal stars and stuff all over, like metal spikes on the back here, metal spikes on the Jordan, as well as you have an embroidered like chain across one section of the shoe, and then also on the shroud of this guy. It's like a cracked material, like a cracked leather on the inside too, and actually I wish they would have kept that through the whole thing because it looks so fresh. There's a star right here that is metallic as well as a Westbrook logo on the tongue, which looks pretty nice. The part that I really like though is you have a gum outsole, and then even the toe cap is gum, and then a white outsole here. But the gum of the walls look really, really dope on here. And it's consistent kind of with the 16s as well. You can see it's kind of a gum outsole as well. And it's like a light gum. It's not quite white, like a shoe goose sort of color, I guess. And then a black midsole on here with the air unit in the back. The quality is definitely on point for these. $425 though is rough, especially when you're talking about Chucks that cost like $70 to $120 roughly. Having that premium of a price for both of these was insane. But Nike sneakers, it says the Air Jordan 16 Converse Chuck 70 high, $425. Because Jordan Converse fit a little differently, keep in mind that the Chuck 70 in this pack will be a half size smaller than you ordered. For example, if you order a size 12, you'll receive a size 12 AJ 16 and a size 11.5 70. And I can show you that that's not true. Like, whatever Sneakers said was not the case, because these are actually both 9.5s. So that is funny that they mentioned that. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Do you guys hit on this pack or not? Resale is up a little bit. I mean, it's not crazy considering the retail is $425. They're selling for 6s and 7s, roughly around there. But it was one of those ones where I was like, oh, I didn't know I was going to get those. I was trying and I hit, and I was like, that's a surprise. And a fun fact for those people that didn't know, actually, back in the day when I used to hoop, I actually played basketball a lot when I was younger. It was the only thing free to play, and I didn't have a lot of money, so I would go to the park across the street from my parents' house, and I'd play basketball by myself, rain or shine, play pickup games all the time. Anyways, as I grew up, I actually tested basketball shoes at Nike, and before this one came out, originally I actually product tested this one, and when I did, they actually taped off the midsole so you couldn't see what technology was in the shoe, the visible air and stuff. So, and they also tested different techniques with keeping the shroud on. They did magnetic only, and then they did Velcro, and they did buttons and stuff as well. And then as you can see, this one has magnets and one Velcro for that extra lockdown. But the reality is when I played ball in these, they actually just fell off my foot. Just didn't stay on very well at all. But this is a crazy pack. Drop a comment if you guys got one or not. Moving along, I hit on another random one that wasn't hyped up or anything. I was kind of interested in seeing what this one was about. It says Everyday Earth Day on the box, and it says Nike Fly Leather Air Max 90. Quick strike, $140 on this one. And so here is the crazy looking Air Max 90. Lots of wild like drawings all over the shoe. It honestly looks like a custom that somebody created, but pretty rad. On the tongue it says Air Max 90, and on the insole it has a Nike with a swoosh and a smiley face on the inside, which I thought was a kind of nice little addition. It says Nike Fly Leather on the box. It says made with at least 50% leather fiber. Maybe that's their way of using like a recycled leather. I honestly should know more about this. I was actually trying to get the Blazers. I really like those ones the best, but obviously in Air Max 90s, I'm a huge fan. And this one has a lot of crazy pop. That lime on the side is nuts, and the yellow on the back, the blue on the toe box. So pretty cool shoe, random pickup. Just one of those no hype pickups. Doesn't have a resale or anything like that. Moving on, we have a gift box from Foot Locker. Actually, they sent this over. It says Collaborate on the box. And as you open it up, you have a little thing here that says Collaborate, creatively charged, community driven. This is Collaborate. In response to the uncertainties spread across the globe, Foot Locker has partnered with a community of creatives to assist those in need through exclusive collections in apparel and footwear. To celebrate the launch of Collaborate, Foot Locker is donating $250,000 to Souls for Souls. Says they're going to be celebrating September through November, so we'll see more of that. But this one is a t-shirt that they sent. Kind of cool. Champion t-shirt. There's a pigeon right there, and it says New York staple on it. Really cool design on that. Like that t-shirt a lot. And then it's a hoodie too. It's a nice heavyweight Champion hoodie, and it says Collaborate, and then the pigeon logo right here on the back. So pretty cool. Shout out to Foot Locker for sending this over. Honestly, I thought I was getting a shoe package that's in this box, and it ended up being that. I was like, oh, rad. This is a cool little collaboration box. So appreciate you guys for sending that over. And then one pickup that I got under retail, stoked about this. Pair that retroed finally. I don't even know when the last retro was, but I missed it when it happened. It's an Air Raid. This is a pair of Nike basketball shoes. Retail was $140. I got mine for I think $112, something like that, $119 on sale. They dropped early, I think, on Champ Sports, and I scooped them when they were on sale. They sold out pretty quick. I posted on Collective Kicks, but they do drop on sneakers pretty soon. And I'm going to guess that when these hit more of a mainstream release, they're probably going to sit. But it's just one of those old iconic shoes that I just remember loving when I was younger. And like obviously Air Jordan 8 vibes, but this one was actually one of the first, if not the first pair of Nike shoes that they released for outdoor use only. So on the bottom of the sole, it says for outdoor use only. And also back here, it says for outdoor use only. So this is made for the blacktops pretty much primarily. You couldn't really play in gyms with these. And I remember going to summer camp, and a dude was actually playing with these inside the gym, and he scuffed the crap out of the floors with these. So I wonder if the rubber tread is the same as back then. Super heavy weight, really, really heavy shoe. But the OG colorway of the Air Raids, I mean, I'm just one of those people drawn to this because of that iconic era of Nike basketball sneakers. And so I picked up a pair of those. Under retail was always a plus. Definitely not mad at that. Also, I did a review of these already if you guys missed it, but shout out to Adidas for sending over the ZX2K Boost. This shoe was crazy comfortable, way better than I thought it was going to be. It has this wrapped boost in the back. I thought it was just encased boost, but when you put these on, so much more comfortable than like Yeezys that have encased boost. The wrapped boost is the way to go. Definitely nice right there. And the last thing to show you guys, something I got for the kids, nothing crazy. I mean, I'm really showing you this. Lego Friends slide set. I have to build this for my 2-year-old daughter. Like, she's not going to know what this is. But I saw it. It was $100. And she loves slides. She loves playing with toys with slides. So, I don't know. I was like, I got to get that for her. And so I bought this for a 2-year-old. I got the Legos and Friends calendar, advent calendar. And I also got the Lego City advent calendar from Lego, because I got to keep myself entertained somehow by getting some more Legos and stuff. And if you guys missed it, I actually did a video review of the Lego Adidas release, which was pretty dope. It's actually really nice quality in hand. But that's the haul of randomness. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. Notification bell to be notified of when my videos are posted. And if you guys want a detailed review of like the air raids, I'll probably maybe do one on my channel. Depends on how much bandwidth I have this week. But anyway, thank you guys for stopping by and watching. Have a good rest of the day. We'll see you guys hopefully for some more videos. Peace, guys.